Hi creators, welcome to my channel. Hope you are having an amazing day. Today I will show you how to draw a beautiful butterfly. Pick any butterfly shape you like to draw, then first draw the outline of the butterfly very lightly. Here I am using 0.5 mechanical pencil. These are some of the simple drawings that you can do when you are bored. For much depth outlines I used micron pens. Now I started drawing the butterfly wings pattern very lightly. If you like my video, please watch until the end and subscribe to my channel. I started coloring the butterfly from left side with Prismacolor pencils. If you like my video, please watch until the end and subscribe to my channel. Here, as you can see, I am trying to use different unique patterns for the butterfly wings. The final outcome of our work is